Chapter 7, Dictionaries. Now, dictionary is the last one of the collection data type provided by Python. The other three we already have gone through. They are list, tuple, and set. Now, dictionaries are used to store data, but this one is slightly different than the other three which we have seen because this one stores in a key value. So, for example, um, you can store like name as Smith and then age as 23, for example. So you can like in here the key will be the name and the value will be Smith, or the key will be age and the value will be 23, and so on and so forth. So you can create a storage array with the name value keypad. Also, dictionaries are um, they are ordered, they are changeable, and they don't allow duplicates. Now, any data type which is changeable, then um, Python will have to provide you with methods which will allow you to change the type. So what we will see is uh, the methods which Python will provide you, for example, clear or pop or pop item, update and all that. That is all for changeable. Copy is like copy, returns a copy for dictionaries, and so on and so forth. So I will advise you to pause the video at this point of time and read through all of this. All of this should make sense, but again, I would highly recommend you to try all of this in an example and just get used to the dictionaries and its method. Let's have a look at the code. Now, here is an example of a dictionary. So as I mentioned, it will have a name value pair. So the name is the key is name here, value is Smith, the key is year, value is 1990, key is sport, value is football. Similarly, I've created another dictionary with same variable name, so this variable will be overwritten. But here I'm purposely added a duplicate value, and then we'll see what happens. This because it doesn't allow duplicate, this won't be created. Then we'll print dictionary, and also will print the type of the dictionary. Let's run this, and then I will explain about all the methods. Um, so as you can see in the first example, we have got just three key value pair: name, Smith, year 1990, sport, football. In the second example, uh, we don't have sport two times because it doesn't allow duplicate. The type of the collection type is dictionary. I've purposefully made sure I get some error and warning here, not error, warning here, because it likes the collection to be in the straight line. I personally find this one more readable, but just for the sake of keeping this ID happy, I'm going to try and save it, and this number is reduced. Also, if you click on this, it basically gives you the warning saying there are duplicate keys here. So it will warn you. Um, the file will still be okay to run. So if I want to run it, as we have already seen, it will still run, but it will warn you. So if you remove this two warning will go away. Now, to have a look at the methods, so Chap7.value will give you all the values, just the values it will give you. So Smith, sport, and Smith 1990 and football. Similarly, if you give chapter 7 an item, it will give you all the items. Chapter 7 and keys, it will give you all the keys, and clear will clear it all. So let's have a look at what has happened here. So in the dictionaries value, which is this piece of code, it has given us just the value, which is Smith 1990 and football. I've also um, printed the type of it. So type is dictionary value. So good to know. Also then returning an item. So basically it is returning a list, so which is a square bracket, and it is giving us comma separated. So this is one item, this is second item, and this is third item. So um, again the type is dictionary item, and finally just to get, so this piece of code is just to get the keys. So we got the keys back, which is name, year, and sport. And last but not the least, uh, if I want to clear, I want to use method clear to clear the chapter 7 dictionary. So once I do that, I will get the nothing back. So that's it for dictionary. I would recommend you to go through all these four dictionary type, sorry, data types for collection, which is list, tuple, set, and dictionaries. I will highly recommend to go through all the methods and understand the differences between all four of this. This is interviewers one of the favorite topics, and because of the subtle difference between all of this and the usage, um, questions will be asked on this. I have provided the links in the description below for the Python and PyCharm download. I have also recommended 3 Python books to enhance your knowledge. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.